It's a lady in London here. Today I want to take you on my self-guided walking tour in London's Belgravia. This neighborhood is full of pretty streets, nice cafes, great restaurants and pubs, and beautiful hidden corners. I can't wait to take you around and show you the full walk. As always, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, but for now let's go see what we find. This walk starts at Victoria Station. You can get here by train, tube, or local bus, or you can walk here from other parts of central London. After you leave the station, you'll quickly come to some local residential streets. They're really pretty, so it's worth taking some time to stop and admire the buildings as you go. There are some cool blue plaques here too, including one to Ian Fleming, the creator of James Bond. Next, you'll find yourself in Eccleston Yards. This cool courtyard has a lot of shops, cafes, and restaurants, and it's a fun place to sit and rest your legs if you need a break. After leaving Eccleston Yards, you'll come to Elizabeth Street. This is one of the most famous streets in London, not least because of its floral facades. There are great cafes and restaurants here, so it's a fun place to stop and take a coffee break. From Elizabeth Street, you'll walk down some side streets, including one with a blue plaque dedicated to Mozart. When you get to Orange Square, you can spend some time exploring the area, taking in the shops, or seeing the market if it's a Saturday. After you leave Orange Square, the route will take you along some side streets and hidden Mews in Belgravia. They're great places to discover, so make sure to take your time. The next stop on your walk is Motcomb Street. This is one of the best places to eat and drink in the area. There are all kinds of restaurants, cafes, cheese shops, chocolate shops, and more here. It's a good place to stop for a meal if you need a break mid-walk. From Motcomb Street, you'll turn up Kinnerton Street. This place has lots of hidden mews and lanes tucked away off it, and it's worth spending some time seeing them. There are some cool pubs here too. After leaving Kinnerton Street, you'll wind your way through some back streets and Mews right behind Hyde Park. This area is full of great streets with lots of hidden details, and there's even a fun pub tucked away inside. When you emerge from the warren of streets, you'll find yourself in Belgravia Square. This place is surrounded by elegant architecture, and it's known for being home to many embassies. After leaving the square, you'll find yourself in more pretty lanes and mews as you make your way back to where you started. This walk ends where it began at Victoria Station, but you can spend some more time exploring the neighborhood or seeing the local area. Thanks for coming around Belgravia with me. I hope you've enjoyed this self-guided walk, and I hope it's inspired you to get out and explore this neighborhood yourself someday. It's a truly special part of London and very, very beautiful. As always, the full route and map are on my blog, a ladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy walking.